Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. So today I am doing my Oppo FINDX gaming review. My last video, many people said I copied some Chinese video and uploaded the PUBG gameplay of that, but this phone belonged to me, so why I copy someone video? So you can see Oppo. Yeah. So let's play some games which I downloaded. It's not so clear. It's like
throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So first let's check the battery. So it's 99% charge, and we will play PUBG Chinese version 0.8.6 version. In this we have 3 maps. So first we will see the setting is HDR, Ultra HDR and realistic mode. In this PUBG we have 3 maps, not like global only 2. So I'm playing the latest map which is uploaded like 10 days before. So let's begin our match. I just show you some highlight of this match because in my previous video I have shown you PUBG gameplay. So this is just a small match, and I will do the heating test and the battery drainage in between. I will play with my phone till the battery 100% drained. So the game is playing very smoothly. You can see there is no lag and it's very smooth. And if you didn't play the Chinese version PUBG, this map is really new for you, and the graphics and everything looks so good. And I'm using the triggers and the gamepad. If you want to buy, I will write the description, and in the description I will write the link where you can buy. This is the manual triggers and just a gamepad you can stick to your phone, and it's very easy to use and not so expensive like a joystick. So here is our first kill. It's like a bot, not a real person. So I skipped the gameplay, only one person left. Whoa. So my player was dead, but we won. So I killed 19 people. That's really awesome. This phone is good. So I played the first match for 25 minutes. So now we will play one more match. Mostly when I do my gaming review, I play PUBG for at least 1 hour, as PUBG is a heavy game and it drains a lot of battery of our phones. So here, well, one of my teammate is dead. But till now my game is playing very smoothly. I didn't face any lag, and it's not heated up also. I didn't feel much heated up. So here is my third kill. In this video I also played PUBG global version in the last. So if you want to see the global version, you have to watch the video completely. Here's my 6th kill. So this match also we won, and I killed 12 people. So now let's see the temperature. So from front side is 38 degrees and from behind is 33.8. So it's not heated up, and the battery left is 79%, and we played 53 minutes till now, so it's good, not so bad. So the next game is Rule of Survival. This is like PUBG, very similar, but it's more heavy than PUBG. So we landed and it's playing smoothly. No lags and looks, graphics are really good. I'm playing on high FPS. So first kill. So here is our second kill. So again I skipped the gameplay and we are, so this is my fourth kill. Somebody's, oh, he killed me, so it's okay. So let's check the heating temperature. So it's 38.4 and from behind 34 degrees. So it's 1 hour and 15 minutes and the battery left is 71%, so we use 29%. So next game was Modern Kombat 5. This game is also playing very smoothly. It's not so heavy game like PUBG or Rules of Survival, but mostly people play this game. So next game is a racing game, Asphalt 8. I'm playing on high definition. So it's a car racing game and it's playing very smoothly. It's a heavy game, near about 1 GB, and you can see playing very smoothly. The graphics are so good. So till now this is my fourth game in Oppo FINDX and I'm playing all games are very smooth. No lag, doesn't heat it up. So let's skip the gameplay. So the battery is 56% left and we played more than 2 hours. So let's check the temperature of phone. So 37 degrees from the front and behind 34.6, so not heated up. So the battery is 47% left and I played 2 hours 34 minutes. So next game is Critical Ops. Let's play a deathmatch. I'm using my triggers again. So here's my first kill. Oh, second kill. So here we won. I killed 11 people and I am dead by 3 times. So the temperature of phone is 38 degrees from the front and from behind is 34.5. So I played near about 3 hours and the battery left is 39%. So it's not bad. So next game is Mortal Kombat 10. I'm really tired because of playing regularly from 3 hours. So let's play and see till when this phone drained completely. Fight. So I skipped. So I played near about 20 minutes this game and the battery left is 39%. So next one is Need for Speed No Limits. This is a heavy game, more than 1 GB. So I skipped the like 6 to 7 matches and I'm playing the final match of my chapter 1. So till now this game is playing very smoothly, doesn't lag. And you know, though, like this phone have bezel-less display, so every game looks so awesome, so good. In this you can see. So the first chapter is complete. So let's see the temperature. So the front side is 35.8 and the battery left is 31%. So 3 hours 37 minutes. Now let's play Shadowgun Legend. So after this game is 4 hours and the battery left is 21%. So now I will play PUBG global version. So this is my first game in PUBG global version. Mostly I play the Chinese version, but many people ask me to play the global version, so I'm playing it. So let's see the graphic first. So HDR, Ultra, Extreme, but no Ultra HD. So here we jump. The game is going very smoothly till now, doesn't lag. So here we landed. So you can see the graphics looks no lag. So like the Chinese PUBG version is 0.8 and the graphics are more better than this one. So hopefully they will update this one in future. So So here is our first kill. second. So till now I killed 8 people. I skipped the gameplay. Only 16 people left. So my 9th kill. So my battery is only 2% left, so hopefully I complete this match. Till now I killed 11 people and 14 people left. Oops. So my phone is fully drained and the time is 4 hours 30 minutes and 47 seconds. So now let's check the temperature of phone. So in the last 30 minutes it drained 21%. You can see PUBG, I always say, is the heaviest game till now. A little heated up from behind. So 39.32. Wow. So near about 44 degrees. So it's heated up in global version of PUBG. So hope you like this video. The camera comparison is coming soon. Most probably tonight I will upload the camera comparison. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.